As the possibility becomes a reality of more people being able to eat in restaurants and shop in stores, today the Dallas-Fort Worth area health community is telling me that everyone should continue to not let their guard down and keep taking precautions. At the beginning of this month, Governor Greg Abbott allowed stores and restaurants to reopen operating with 25% of customers. Monday, Abbott will announce phase 2, possibly allowing some businesses to operate at 50% capacity. There may also be some new guidance for places like bars and tattoo shops, which remain closed.
Everybody individually has to make their own risk assessments to determine whether or not they feel that it's safe to go back and do the things that they used to do.
There is no longer a safer at home order in Dallas County. Health leaders say new COVID-19 cases appear to have peaked last week. Hospitals will monitor if reopening of businesses will lead to an increase in ER and ICU beds. Stephen Love with the DFW Hospital Council says ER visits and ICU beds have remained steady with about 65% in use.
Is it safe to say it's too early to tell if any of the recent cases are due to more activity in the community?
I do think, Stephen, in the next 10 days to 2 weeks, based on the incubation period that the infectious disease doctors say, we're going to see, are we getting a slight uptick? Are we remaining flat? Or hopefully, is it going down? But I think the next 2 weeks will be a big indicator.
Data from UT Southwestern says if people do not continue to use physical distancing, we could see a spike in cases this summer in Dallas County. If you decide to leave the house, Dr. John Carlo with the Texas Medical Association says you should wear some sort of face covering, saying it will become the new normal.
Just take those personal protection measures and really make sure that you're doing what you do safely. That includes, washing your hands, being aware of your surroundings, staying away from people by 6 feet or more as much as possible, and finally wearing a mask when you're in those settings to limit the potential spread of transmission.
Governor Greg Abbott will unveil phase 2 tomorrow in a press conference at 2 p.m. Blake, as it pertains to Dallas County, this past week we saw the fewest number of COVID-related deaths since the week of April 19th. Blake.
Okay, Stephen Dow live for us. Thanks so much.